Assalamu alaikum all everyone. Today I talked Air Connect Airlines online check-in system. How to check Air Connect. How to check reservation check-in system. So this is my YouTube channel Engineer Shahjahan. This channel only airlines video uploaded. So subscribe my channel and watch this video. At first Google Chrome browser open here, then typing here Air Connect web check-in. Air Connect web check-in. Then enter. Then many links showing here, so first link airconnect.com online check-in Air Connect. This link, click here. This is the Air Connect website link, so click here this link. This is Air Connect website, professional website. So allow all cookies, click here. So Air Connect website homepage, then join option, login option, menu showing, book and flight, route, map, destination, check-in, so many options showing. So home page check-in option already showing Air Connect check-in. This is the boarding pass check-in option, ticket check-in option. So at first PNR number typing here, 6 digit capital number or number, capital letter or number typing here. Then surname means last name typing here. So capital letter and number, then last name typing here, then check-in, click here, then fill up your information, then seat select, then finally your boarding pass showing. Download your boarding pass and print your boarding pass, then airport. So thank you all everyone, thank you, please subscribe my channel, thank you.